Katie, let's go! Wait! I haven't dried my hair yet. Oh, gosh. Then I'll do it for you. Then it'll dry faster. Give it to me. It's okay. I'll dry it sooner. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do?
Safety, safety, safety man! Mike, you little boy!
Yikes! Safety man! I thought you'd show up just in time. Mike, you! What are you gonna do with my hair?
Katie, hang on in there! Safety man! There we go!
Phew! A real relief for you, Katie. Phew. Thank you, safety man.
Don't blame me later.
Pardon?
No, nothing. Anyway, we use the hairdryer every day, so be more careful. You're supposed to keep it more than 20 centimeters off from your hair because your hair might get sucked in like just now.
More than 20 centimeters? Mike, do you understand? Sorry, I'm sorry.